What is a pointer? A pointer is a variable. Okay, a pointer is nothing but a variable. Just like a normal variables in C++, it is also a variable. But the only change is that it is not storing any value. However, it is basically storing the address of another variable. That is what pointer is. Here in the drawing, you can see I have a variable I. Okay, and the value of that variable I is 10. And the address of that variable I is 1000. Now here there is also p. P is nothing but a variable only. However, what changes you can see here is that p is storing the address of variable I. Now this is what makes a pointer different from other variables. Okay, a pointer is storing the address of variable I, and a pointer has its own address also. You can see that 2000. Okay, so I variable has its own address and p variable has its own address. The only difference is the I variable is storing the integer type data type, which is 10, and the p, which is nothing but a pointer only, is storing the address of variable I. Okay, the same thing I have done here in this program also. I have declared a variable I, initialized it with a variable 10, and declared a variable p, and with a star p, which is nothing but indicates a pointer, and initialized it with a ampersandage I. Ampersandage I in the sense that I am basically storing the address of variable I. Okay, ampersandage indicates the address. Okay, now how do I print the value of I? How do I print the value of p? It's simple. In the first cout statement, you can only see this ampersandage I. Okay, ampersandage I in the sense I am basically printing the address of variable I. As I just now shown here, I variable has its own address, p variable has its own address. That's what I'm showing in the first cout statement. Ampersandage I will give the address of variable I. Ampersandage p will give the address of variable p. Okay, if I run this, you can see here in the first cout statement, you can see the address of variable I and address of variable p. Both are different actually. Now in the second cout statement, you can see the variable I, which is nothing but the value of 10 I'm basically printing. Okay, and then the star p. What is star p? So in simple words, if I say star p indicates the value it is storing. Okay, and ampersandage p will give you the address of the pointer, and star p will give you the value of the pointer. Currently the value of the pointer is nothing but 10. Why 10? Because it is basically storing the address of the variable I. So whenever we print the star p, we will not print the address of variable I. Why? Okay, why will we will not print 1000? Because we are basically accessing the address, and whenever we access the address, we will get the value only at the end. So at the end, I am printing the here star p only, and when I do this, 1000 is nothing but address of what? Variable I. And what variable I is storing? It is 10. So that 10 will be printed. If I run this once again, you can see here 10 and 10. Fine. What if I want to change the value of I? Okay, this I can do this using pointers also. I just have to do this star p. Once again, star p means value, and I'm basically changing the value of 30. Pointer p. I can do this, and the value will be changed to 30. You can see here. Is any arithmetic operations can be performed using pointers? Yes, arithmetic also can be done, like plus plus operator, minus minus operator. We can use that using pointers as well. You can do this. Again, star p, why I'm doing? Because whenever we want to change a value, we use star p. And when I want to change, I don't want to change the value, I want to change the address of that pointer. So how will I change the address of that pointer? You basically use ampersandage. Okay, ampersandage p you have to use. But right now I'll show that amp percentage where it is used. How do we increment the address using the pointers array in the next video. Right now, I will basically change the value of the pointer to plus plus. I'm doing basically. So if I run this once again, you can see 31. Initially it was 30. Now it has become 31. And whatever changes I'm doing in the pointer, right, it is also reflecting in the variable I. Why? Because I'm basically storing the address of variable I. So whatever changes I do in the pointer p, it will reflect to the variable I directly. That's how the reference works. That's how the address works. So what is the use case of this? So the use case is nothing but I'll show you one simple function. Okay, I'll just erase everything. Okay, I'll just erase everything and I'll show you. I have var and 10. Okay, I have a variable and I have declared a variable with a variable name as var and initialized it with a value 10. And let's say I have a function called as a void return type change val. Okay, okay, change val. Now what is the use case? I'm basically showing the use case. So if I want to change the var, okay, var value which is 10, okay, how will I do it using the pointers? So I have to basically pass the value by reference value. What do you mean by reference? Reference in the sense I'm passing the variable address. Okay, I'm passing the variable address. And how do I receive this? Okay, how do I receive in the function? So it's simple. You have to do star ptr. Okay, star ptr. See, it's simple. It's like this. In simple words, if I show, okay, what we did just now, that's what I'm doing. Star ptr is equals to amp percentage variable I. This is what we had done initially in the before example I have shown. Star ptr, it is basically used to store the address of some variable, and the address I'm basically passing has an argument here. Okay, has a parameter I'm passing and has an argument I'm receiving using star ptr. Okay, and if I change the value of star ptr, okay, star ptr is holding the address of variable var. So if I change the value of star ptr, how do we change the value of any variable? We use star. Okay, if I want to change the address, then we use ampersand symbol. Okay, so if I change that value to some 500, okay, I have changed now, and there is no return type here. Again, see, there is no return type, it is void. Okay, whatever changes I do here, it will automatically reflect in the main function also. Okay, and if I print the value of var now, okay, I'll just clear the screen and then run this. You can see 500, you can see. So how is this happening? I have a variable in, and this is a main function, and there is no return type here. This is the use case. I'm passing the var here, address of var. I'm receiving with a pointer. Whatever and changes I do in inside the main function here, inside this function, it will reflect in the main function also. With the help of address, I'm doing this. Okay, and if I print the value of var now, it has become 500. So this 10 is gone now. So this is the use case of pointers, and in the next video I'll show you pointers and how do we use pointers in arrays. Thank you.